Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Loginate. In this video, I will guide you on how to book accommodation in Airbnb. Airbnb is a vacation rental company. It is an online marketplace for short and long-term homestays and experiences. So if you want to book an Airbnb accommodation, this video is just for you. First of all, open any browser of your choice. Here, I'm opening Google Chrome. Now, click on the search bar and type www.airbnb.com. Press enter. Here, you'll be directed to the official website of Airbnb. Make sure you're logged in your account. And now at the top, you can see several options like where, check-in, check-out, who, etc. All you have to do is click on the where box. And here, you can search your destinations. Here, I'm selecting United States. You will also have to provide a check-in date. And you will also have to provide the checkout date. Now you can also add guests. Your guests can be adults, children, infants, or pets. If you want to add adults as guests, you can simply click on the plus sign that is right next to adults. Same goes for other options. Now all you have to do is click on the search option. Here you can see several options like amazing views, beachfront, cabins, skiing, countryside, rooms, amazing pools, and top cities. Here, I want to book a room. Scroll down to see more options. Now, click on the room that you like the most. Here, I like this room, so I'm clicking on this room. Now, you will be directed to this page. Scroll down to see more information. You can also see more photos. Simply click on the Show All Photos option. Scroll down to see more photos. Here you can access all the photos of the room. Now you have to go back, scroll down, and here you can see Reserve button. Here you can also edit the dates by clicking here, and you can also edit the guest list. Here you can see the charges. Now click on the Reserve button. Now you will be directed to this page. Here also you can edit the dates and guests. If you haven't already logged in, you will be asked to log in again. And here you can see the price details for the room. In my case, my total is $124.76. You can pay by using your card or any payment methods. So that's how you book an Airbnb accommodation. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.